The Audi e-tron GT will be the firm's flagship electric model, going head-to-head with the Tesla Model S. The Audi e-tron GT, a direct rival for the Tesla Model S and Porsche Taycan, has been spotted undergoing final testing at the Nürburgring Nordschleife race circuit in Germany, ahead of its expected unveiling in early October 2024 on-sale date in early 2021. An e-tron GT concept was revealed at the 2018 Los Angeles Motor Show. See our gallery further down the page, but its running gear and looks are thought to be all but identical to those of the production version. This is clear from various images of camouflaged e-tron GT test mules, which clearly show the car's distinctive front and rear-end treatments, as well as its rakish roofline. Similar in size to an Audi A7, the e-tron GT will join the e-tron and e-tron Sportback SUVs in the Audi range, eventually forming part of a 25-strong lineup of electrified cars carrying the e-tron badge. The GT is expected to cost north of £100,000 in the UK, which would position it as the flagship for the entire e-tron electric car range. Audi e-tron GT electric motor and battery. Around 60% of the e-tron GT's parts under the metal are shared with the Porsche Taycan, with both cars using the same Volkswagen Group J1 platform. This includes the dual electric motor setup, producing 582 bhp, which is more than the standard Audi R8 V10 petrol supercar makes. As can be expected for an electric car, the GT will have significantly more torque than its two-door, conventionally powered stablemate. It'll do 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and hit a top speed of 149 miles per hour, while the 96 kWh battery will charge from flat to 80% in only 15-20 minutes from a high-speed 350 kilowatts charging station. And with the regenerative braking system turned up to a high level, single-pedal driving should be possible. Accomplished handling is promised due to a low center of gravity, thanks both to lightweight carbon fiber doors and roof, as well as the weight of the battery pack located low down in the chassis. Styling. There are expected to be only minor variations between the GT concept and what eventually goes on sale to the public in. The production model will seat 5 people. The Los Angeles show car featured motorsport-style center-locking wheels, but the road-going version will revert to the traditional 5 bolts. The wheel's design and 22-inch diameter won't change, though it's also likely that we won't see the concept's glowing front and rear e-tron logos and touch-sensitive door openers on the finished product. Elsewhere, the absence of an engine up front and exhaust pipes at the rear has allowed for a very low bonnet and an advanced aerodynamic diffuser. Interior. Inside the Audi e-tron GT, the main center section of the dashboard extends out into the doors to emphasize the interior's width, while the driver's position is inspired by that of the R8 supercar, giving it a cockpit-like feel. Audi promises 4 adults will be able to travel in comfort in the GT, with special foot garages built into the floor to give more footroom. For luggage, there's a 450-liter boot at the back and an additional 100 liters of storage under the bonnet. Ride review. After driving the e-tron concept at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show, Driving Electric's sister title Auto Express was able to ride in a prototype version of the production car in September 2020. The car wore a disguise and was not even allowed to be photographed fully, but it was clear that the final design won't stray far from the original concept. The e-tron sits extremely low compared to most other electric cars, and is reminiscent of an Audi A7 more than anything else on first sight, although it shares underpinnings with the Porsche Taycan. One of the first things you notice about the car is its distinctive metallic hum, even when stationary. It intensifies as the car accelerates, becoming louder the faster you go rather than being produced on a computer. The noise is actually the recording of a fan blowing air down a long metal pole. Audi used editing software to capture sections of that noise and match it to various driving scenarios, with the aim of creating a more organic and natural sound than other electric cars. About all that could be gleaned from the passenger ride is that the e-Tron will be massively fast, with a sub-3 second 0 to 62 miles per hour to rival the fastest Teslas seeming believable.